Dear aspirants, to start with today's news, mitochondrial donation treatment is explaining and how a baby has a three parent. That was detailed now. So this comes under GS2 health. So about mitochondrial donation treatment, this is a process through which an egg which has a genetic material, that is DNA, from the parents and mitochondria from the selected female donor is implanted in the uterus and carried to full term to yield a baby and free of any mitochondrial diseases. So the baby carry most of its DNA from its parent only, and only minor percent from the donor whose mitochondria has been used while fertilizing the egg. See, mitochondria is basically a powerhouse of the cell. They generate energy and they are responsible for cell function in the human body. Certain defects might occur impacting the way the mitochondria produces energy for cells, like the tissues in the brains, nerves, muscles, and it impact the cell function also. The disease that arise out of such mitochondrial mutation are called mitochondrial disease. When the mitochondria are impaired and do not produce sufficient energy, it affects how organs function, leading to a broad assortment of symptoms across the body, including brain damage, organ failure, and muscle wastage. Symptoms get more and more debilitating as the child grows, and there is no cure, but it can be treated. The incidence of mitochondrial diseases as 1 in 5,000 people. So there is an advanced in vitro fertilization technique, and the baby's biological father's sperm was used to fertilize the egg from the biological mother who has a mitochondrial disease, and a third, that is a female donor with a clear mitochondria separately. That is the solution. Now we have the nuclear genetic material from the donor egg is removed and replaced with the genetic material from the biological parent. So the final product, that is the egg which has a genetic material from the parent, is implanted in the uterus, and that is called mitochondrial donation treatment. So the nutritional value of millets. This comes under GS3 agriculture. UN FAO has declared 2023 to be the International Year of Millets. Millets are becoming more popular in India as well because of their low input requirement and high nutritional density. Millets are fundamentally grasses. They are cultivated worldwide, but especially in the tropical parts of Africa and Asia as cereal crops. According to Agriculture and Processed Food Development Authority, India is the world largest producer of millets. So in 21-22, the country accounted for 40.51% of world PL millet production and 8% of sorghum. So within the country, PL millet made up of 60% of all the millet production, sorghum 27% and ragi 11%. They are drought tolerant, adapting in growing in warm weather and require low moisture. They are particularly efficient consumer and loamy soil. Consumer of water. They don't grow well in waterlogged or extremely dry soil because they might occur after heavy rainfall or particularly bad drought. Millets have the upper hand over crops like rice and maize with more drought-like condition expected in many parts of the world. So the nutritional value is different varieties have different nutrition profile. PL millet is the oldest cultivated varieties are found in higher protein, whereas then rice, maize and sorghum comparatively. Foxtail millet is rich in amino acid lysine. Finger millet is rich in crude, has more crude fiber compared to the wheat and rice. IMD issues 4th heat wave alert for the Konkan region. So this comes under GS3 climate change. A heat wave is a period of abnormally and uncomfortably hot and usual humid weather. According to World Meteorological, heat wave is when the daily maximum temperature for more than 5 consecutive days exceeds the average maximum temperature by 9 degrees Fahrenheit. So heat wave is considered in India if a maximum temperature of a station reaches at least 40 degrees Celsius or more for the plains and at least 30 degrees Celsius or more for hilly regions. So departure from normal is 4.5 degrees Celsius to 6.4 degrees. Severe heat wave departure from normal is more than 6.4 degrees Celsius. Based on actual maximum temperature, in heat wave when actual maximum temperature more than 45 degrees Celsius, severe heat wave is when actual maximum temperature is more than 47 degrees Celsius. So when maximum temperature departure is 4.5 degrees Celsius or more from normal, heat wave may be declared by providing actual maximum temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. It should be warm night, it should be considered only maximum temperature remains 40 degrees Celsius or more. It may be defined based on departures or actual minimum temperature. Like warm night, the departure is 4.5 degrees Celsius to 6.4. Very warm night is more than 6.4 degrees Celsius. Thank you. If you have any queries, feel free to contact.